Splitting a PDF using the merging and splitting functionality of DynamicPDF Core Suite is both simple and straightforward. In this example, we illustrate how to split a multi-page PDF document into multiple page PDFs. Start Visual Studio, create a new project, and install the CETE DynamicPDF.CoreSuite.net NuGet package. Create a new project, select ConsoleApp.NET Core C#. Name the project Simple Split Example. Create. Now let's install the NuGet package. Manage NuGet package. Browse. CETE.DynamicPDF.CoreSuite.net. Click OK. I accept. Add the CETE.DynamicPDF.merger using statement. Remove the console.write line. Create a new PDF document class instance. PDF equals new PDF document. Add a path to the PDF document in the constructor. Simple split timemachine.pdf. Let's view the PDF document we are going to split. Open the document. The example is a PDF of H.G. Wells' The Time Machine. Return to Visual Studio. Let's create a new PDF document from the first 4 pages. Merge document. New merge document. Now, the constructor version we need takes a PDF document, a start page, and a page count as constructor parameters. Add the draw method to the newly constructed merge document instance. Specify the output file as the draw method's parameter. And let's just name it Document A. Run the program. Press any key to close. Let's return to the folder. There's our document. Open it. And there's our 4-page document. Cover page, page 1, page 2, page 3. Return to the program. Let's now modify the merge document constructor to start at page 5 and print 8 pages. Like before, add the draw method and specify the output file. Okay, merge document, second one, equals new merge document. Start at page 5, and we're going to print 8 pages. Second one, dot draw. Make document B.pdf the output file. Now let's run the application. Press any key to close. Go to the folder. Open the PDF, and you can see we have an 8-page document. You're not limited to outputting a split PDF to a document. You can also output the split PDF to a byte array. You could then save that byte array to something like a database. But in this example, we simply save the byte array to a file. Let's do everything in one line of code. Write system.io.file.writeAllBytes to the byte array to a file. Now in the real world, we'd obviously not just write the byte array to a file. From the line above, copy and paste the path to document B. Rename the document to document C. Then add the draw method, only we do not specify an output path. This omission should make sense, as we're writing to a byte array, not a file. Run the application. Open document C, and note the output is the same as it was for document B. Now, did you notice something strange about our split documents? Open document C again. In all our examples, our documents have bookmarks for the chapters, even though the documents are only a couple of pages. We can fix this by using merge options to remove the bookmarks when we split a PDF. Go ahead and comment out the byte array example. Add a couple lines to the file before our earlier second example. Create a new merge options instance. Set the newly created instance's outlines property to false. Add the options to the merge documents constructor. Run the application. Open the document. Note that there are no bookmarks. DynamicPDF Core Suite's merge and split capabilities are both powerful and easy to use. In this tutorial, you saw just a few of DynamicPDF's capabilities. We split a large PDF into smaller PDFs. We outputted a split PDF to a byte array and then saved it. And we also used merge options to remove unneeded bookmarks. You can download a sample project from GitHub at github.com/DynamicPDF/examples-dynamic-PDF-core-suite-.net-core. DynamicPDF Core Suite combines our previous DynamicPDF Generator for .NET, DynamicPDF Merger for .NET, and DynamicPDF Report Writer for .NET products into one convenient package. This is ideal for anyone who needs to create PDF documents or reports or work with existing PDFs in their applications. With a free evaluation edition to try and with flexible and royalty-free licensing options, why not start using DynamicPDF Core Suite today? Feel free to contact our support page, where you'll find forums, user manuals, examples, or you can email us. I'm James reminding you, when you think PDF, think DynamicPDF. Until next time.